Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about statistics. The topic today is about normal distribution. So now I want to show you how to answer. Before we calculate about probability of this one, we need to convert into about z, and that should be about s minus mu over sigma. So in this situation we have 43, so we put 43 on here minus this one that is about mean, and we have 39 over the sigma that is about 11. So we calculate about this one, and we have 4 over 11, or approximate about 0.36. So we need to find the probability when z is smaller than or equals to 0.36. And now we need to go this table, standard normal table of z. So we just calculate about 0.36. So we need to find the z that is about 0.36. So we see that we have 0.3 and then we have 0.06. We combine two numbers together, and we see that this table, they just concentrate the probability from 0 to z in here. But on the question, they start from z is smaller than or equal to 0.36. So to find about the whole area in here, we know that on the left side, this area in here represent about 0.5. But on the right, from 0 to z, that is the location we just find in here. That is about 0.1406. We need to use this number plus 0.5 for the area on the left in here. So we have the final answer. And this one we have 0.6406. Now we do the same thing for 35. So this one we calculate, and we have negative number 4 over 11, and we have approximate about negative 0.36, and now we need to find the probability. With z is greater than or equal to negative 0.36. So we go back to this table in here. We know that this one is about symmetric. So if we find the probability on the right, you also find the probability on the left in here, because they have the same value. So because they start from negative 0.36, so we need to find the positive 0.36, and we have 0.1406, because the probability is greater than or equal to 35. That means they want to find the probability from here to here. So we know that the probability in here that is about 0.5. And now we need to sum this probability in here, and you got the final answer, and that's about like this. Now let's go to the next one. We want to find the probability between 19 and 41, so we use the same formula in here. And this one we will have about z number 1 and z number 2. So number 1 we choose about 19, and the second one I will choose about 41. So we calculate about this one, and we have negative 20 over 11, and this one approximate about negative 1.82. This one we calculate, and we have number 2 over 11, and this one approximate about 0.18. So we need to find the probability between negative 1.82 and 0.18. So we go back to the table, and we need to find about negative 1.82. So we just find about number 1, number 8. So that should be about here. Number 2, that should be about here. So we have 0.4656. And the second one we need to find 0.1 and number 8. And we have these numbers in here. And now we sum two numbers, and we have 0.537. This is the end. Thank you for watching.